Hi everyone, and today I wanted to present to you a device from Sony. It's a compact CD audio player, and this was released in 1982. This is the first compact CD player. The ones before this looked like present day audio video receivers, so compared to that, this is a big engineering feat. Right, this takes about it's a minimalistic design. Okay, the total height is about 4 audio CD cases. For comparison, we have 4 CD cases here. Perfect height, So that's how small they made it, and it was a beautiful design. And basic features: you have an LED panel, then you have all the basic buttons: play, pause, rewind, fast forward, stop, skip forward, skip backwards, power on, off, volume control. On this side here, there's nothing. On this side here, you have the 3.5-inch headphone jack, and at the back, you have a line out as well as a 9 volt DC in. And you can also see the label there, made in Japan. And the base has 4 feet. Yeah, we'll come to that soon. So because the design is so minimalistic, right, there is no there's no room to put batteries in, so you always had to have it powered through an external adapter. Alright, so before we come to the external adapter, I just wanted to open this CD and show you the inside. Alright, so no batteries, right? You had to use an adapter. So they came up with this standard accessory. Okay, this, you can, let me just put this aside. Just put this in one side here. If you can see this, you have the 9.5, this is the line out cable, okay, and this is the 9 volt DC Sony, and at the back here, this gets connected directly to the line out here. And the beauty of this particular adapter is that I think this is an international one, because if you look at the base, you can change the voltage. You can put it to 120, 110, 220, 240. So here in the Middle East, in UAE, it's 220 to 240, so it's safe. Otherwise you need to use a voltage step down or step up amplifier, transformer, sorry, not an amplifier. Alright, so how do you connect this one? Simple. That's where the feet gets involved. You take the CD player here, okay, gently guide it in between. Just make sure aligned properly. Now they are connected. Now you can power on the device. Okay, now it's switched on. Powering on. And let's just take out a disc. There you go, it started to run. So you need to connect an external speaker. So I will use this Nokia speaker that I have available with me. Let me just turn this on. And reduce the volume here. Connect it to, yeah, I think this will work. There you go. pause, stop. Okay, so now the problem is, if you wanted to carry around with you, you have to either carry around this adapter or you need to buy an accessory for it, which I also have, and I will show you right now. So let me just take this. I might need the speaker again, but anyway, I'll keep this aside for the time being. Disconnect this. So there is this particular accessory from Sony. It's like a big case. It's a huge case, So this connection is also the same. If I were to, let me just take the CD player out of the way for the moment. It comes with a carry strap. Okay. If you wanted to open, you have to push this here and open it this way. So now you can see the same setup, just like the other adapter. You're going to house the CD player inside here, and then you can use this as a portable device. And how does this work? Okay, let me just close this one. You have the on-off switch here. You have the on-off switch and the line out, as well as DC in, if you wanted to connect it that way also. And underneath here you have the battery pack. You could put your own battery, or you could use a rechargeable battery. I think the model number is NP-11. So I will just open this out. This is the battery housing compartment. If I would open this further, so you need 6 batteries, 6 C2 batteries or L14, like these Energizer batteries. So I'm going to test this for the first time, because this housing unit did not come along with the CD player. I bought this separately, so the seller wasn't sure whether it works or not. So we'll find out today. Just open this up. Okay. And these go here. Okay. Now the batteries are loaded, and snap it back in place. Okay. Gently in. Okay. Okay. So the batteries are loaded. Let me now. Now it's pretty heavy. Open this up here, the sides. Okay. I think I need to just do a little bit of a cleanup. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and open this up and load the CD player carefully, so it lines up proper, and better to keep it this way so you can see the okay. Alright, it's slid in proper. Okay, and now all you need to do is close it. And a small correction, while I was cleaning it, I just noticed that this is not actually a power button. In fact, this is a charge button, okay, and this is to be off at all times unless you're using this one to charge a rechargeable battery here. It's mentioned over here. So this should be left off all the time. Okay, so now I have it, the player is inside. Now, let me just, is this switch off? Yeah, it switches on. Okay, it switches on now. And press play. It is running. So the battery pack or the housing unit works perfectly. To test, let me connect the Nokia speaker back again. Switch off because it might not have skip protection and all. Switch it off. Right. Power off. And on the side here you have line out. Okay, so I connect it over here. And now let me go ahead, turn this back here, switch it on and play. Okay, so I'm going to switch it off because oh, you know what? Correction. Okay, instead of this line out, you can connect it on the side here because I failed to notice it. There's a hole here, you know, hole here directly connecting to the speaker out. I mean headphone out of the unit of the audio player, you know. So I can just connect it here. Okay. Now my Nokia speaker will be able to handle the current. Play. Okay, so yeah, it works perfectly. So that's about it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Okay, and I'm very happy to own this piece of history. You know, it's very old compared to today's technology, but it still works and it's amazing, solid technology. You know, and excellent engineering from Sony. So I'm pretty happy and proud to own this piece of history, and I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you do, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks again and see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.